That's so powerful. You just described the impact of words. Welcome back to Clarity Talks. Nahid Khan and I are pleased to have you joining us on this episode titled Think Well Makes You Do Well. Nahid, how do you keep a positive mindset while facing negativity?
Let me give you this answer in a small example. We all consciously, unconsciously use the word if a lot. We love the word if. What if this happens? What if that happens? What if I fail? What if this goes wrong? What if this goes bad? What if I'm lost? We love the what if scenario. A what if scenario, what it does to you, all the what ifs, it gives your mind all the uncertainty, things that you are, what if I fail? Okay. So if you're trying to do something, what if you fail? So your focus is not on, what when I succeed, but it is on what if I fail. So that's the goal. Your goal is to look at how to make you fail. Okay, that's what your mind understands. All right. Now, when you change that if, and always remember one thing, if is an uncertain event. When you are saying if, that means whatever you are talking about is not certain. So if I fail, that means whatever I'm trying to do, I'm not certain that I will succeed in that. I'm going to fail. My focus, my conversation, my words is not about if I succeed, it's about if I fail. So I'm not certain that I'm going to succeed. I'm certain I'm going to fail. So when you are talking about things that you want to create for yourself, at that time, don't use the word if, use the word when. Because what you want for yourself, it is not uncertain, right? What you want is certain. So when you are certain about something, then it is just a question of time. So instead of if, speak about when. When we do this, when we achieve this, when we become this, when we create this. And then when you're talking about things that you want to avoid, use if. Let your mind become uncertain about what you don't want. So if I fail, all right, but when we succeed, this. So put more emphasis on the when and less on the if, and make all of those things that you want to avoid if, but the conversation should always end with when we succeed and when we achieve. And one last tip. I will fail? No, I may fail, but I will succeed. Will and may. See the difference. May, not certain. Will, absolutely certain. This is how your brain sees things. This is how it catches on. This is how it becomes sure and becomes unsure. This is how you create your own insecurities and anxieties.
That's so powerful. You just described the impact of words on our visual memory because our brain thinks in pictures. We know that. Replace if with when. Use will as certainty. Of course, I want to succeed. I will succeed. We don't go around talking about failing, but you're right. We make our insecurities make that the focus, not the success. Thank you so much. Great tip. And we're going to take up a next one in the next episode where we're going to be talking about how that affects the action or our behavior, the words that draw the picture in our head. Join us the next episode. Thank you.